How to fix AirPods Pro not connecting to Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, ensure that your Bluetooth is on. For that, you can swipe to the up and to the down, and after that bring up your quick settings bar, and you can easily tap and hold on Bluetooth and go to the Bluetooth settings section. You can make sure to toggle the button on, and after that you need to reset your Android's AirPod Pro. Sometimes resetting your AirPods can help resolve connection issues. You can place your AirPods Pro in the charging case and close the lid. Wait for about 30 seconds, then open the lid again. On the back of the charging case, press and hold the setup button until the status light flashes amber and then white. This will reset your AirPods Pro and make them ready to connect to a new device. After that, you can also forget and reconnect the AirPods. Make sure the AirPods and the charging case have enough battery. Low battery levels can cause connectivity issues. After that, you need to update your Android software. For that, head to the settings, tap the search bar, and type in update. List of update option comes over where you need to select Android software or software updates. Tap on it, and if there is any updates, update it to the latest version. If you have followed all the steps and your AirPods Pro still won't connect to your Android device, there might be a hardware issues. Contact the support team or visit the store to check if your AirPods have any technical problems. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.